This video is to revisit volume of pyramids. You should have checked your formula chart to get the formula that you are going to need to solve the volume of a pyramid. On your formula chart, under volume of pyramids, you would see volume equals 1/3 capital B H. Check your answers to make sure that that is the formula that you have. I put on here or, because if I have a fraction 1/3 capital B H, I could also see this formula as capital B H divided by 3. I think that this formula here, capital B H divided by 3, is a little bit easier to use than this one from the formula chart. You should have also written what the capital B means. Our capital B means area of the base. Check your answers to make sure that you have this in the right place. Area of the base is my capital B. H is the height of the solid. Now, if you only have height on there, you want to put height of the solid because it is how tall the solid is. So pause the video if you need to add that to your notes. Okay, so what you see now is a pyramid. The first thing that you're going to want to do whenever you have a 3D shape is to shade the base, because the base is where I am going to solve for the area of the base, or my capital B. Since this is a pyramid, I know that the point up at the top, the base is directly below the point at the top. So I shaded the rectangle down at the bottom. Now, I said rectangle, but if you look, I only have one dimension. If I only have one dimension, that means that it is a square, and I can go ahead and write 10 centimeters for the missing side length. Okay, you always want to start with the formula, volume equals capital B H divided by 3. I'm going to solve for capital B first, and remember, capital B is the area of the base. These two are the same, they mean the same thing when we are solving for volume. So the area of the base, my base is a square, so if I look on my formula chart, it is base times height. My base is 10 times 10. And so pause the video so you can do the math and then come back and check to see if your answer is correct. When you did your math, did you come up with 100 centimeters squared for capital B? If you did, great, that's exactly what it is. So now I'm going to take this capital B, because capital B and area of the base are the same thing, and I'm going to put it into my volume formula. So my volume formula is capital B. I already know that that is 100. And I'm going to multiply it by the height of the solid. Here is my height. It is the line that makes the right angle with the base. And I don't know if you see this, but here was my base, or my right angle. So my height is 15 centimeters. So I'm going to take 100 times 15 centimeters. And I'm going to take all of this and I'm going to divide it by 3. So pause the video so that you can do the math and then check it with mine. Okay, so you should have multiplied 100 times 15. And when I do the math, I'm going to see that my product is 1,500. Now that 1,500 you should have divided by 3. And so when you do the math for that one, 1,500 divided by 3, 3 went into 15 5 times. When I subtract, I get 0. When I bring down the 0, 3 goes into 0 0 times. That puts the 0 in your quotient. And then I have one more 0 to bring down. 3 goes into 0 0 times. So my volume is equal to 500 centimeters cubed. Now remember the cube, whenever we're in volume, it's three-dimensional, so it is cubic units. And so this one is 500 centimeters cubed. All right, you are ready to take your notes and go solve the problems that match volume of pyramids. Good luck, and if you need any help, please let me know. Thank you.